What if I told you that TikTok isn't just an app? It's a vault. And most of you, you're standing outside broke, banging on the glass, while a few clever ones are in there scooping money with buckets. Now, the real question is, which side are you on? And if you're not scared yet, maybe you should be, especially if you're in business or... I'm Miss Muithathi, your favorite darkly hilarious finance coach who makes broke people laugh at their pain. I'd like to think that's what I do before I drag them into financial rehab. I help ambitious Africans and Kenyans like you escape luxury poverty, kill debt, and build real money systems so that you stop begging algorithms or your boss for survival. If you enjoy this content, consider supporting the channel via Buy Me Coffee, link below. Stay with me. So you think TikTok is just dance videos and thirst traps, right? Cute. In 2025, TikTok, it's a financial battlefield. 1.6 billion people, almost an hour a day, glued to the app. Do you realize what that means? That's not entertainment. That right there is captivity. And while you're busy laughing at memes, businesses out here are quietly picking your pockets. So my dear, if you don't learn how to turn attention into money, TikTok will turn your attention into their money. And you'll keep staying broke. You want to escape that? That's where my instant hustle manual actually comes in. You can get it in the links below. Because if you don't build streams of income online now, you'll wake up in a world where AI owns your job, TikTok owns your brain, and your landlord owns your dignity. That's the illusion of fun. Now, let's talk about the search engine that nobody tells you about. You see, TikTok isn't just social media. It's a damn search engine. You see these Gen Zs, they don't Google, they TikTok. Okay? Imagine this. Someone types, how to get out of debt in Kenya. Guess whose face better be the one they see? Not some random motivational clown. Yours. Okay? But here's the tragedy. Most of you are invisible. You are not using keywords. You're not speaking the language of discovery. So that simply means you're playing hide and seek with your money. And trust me, TikTok always wins when it comes to hide and seek. If you don't master this, you'll scroll past the people who did, watching them sell their products, live soft lives, while you're stuck there with Safaricom overdraft. You want the antidote? My chaos-proof monthly system. Linked below. It's not a planner. It's what I would call a survival weapon. Because if you don't structure your chaos, TikTok will structure it for you. And I promise you, you'll hate the ending. That's the search engine that nobody tells you about. You trust influencers more than politicians, more than pastors, and to some extreme, more than your mother. Problem is, TikTok knows that. And that's why micro-influencers, these are people with 10K to 100K followers, are moving more products than billboard celebrities. Why? This is because they feel real. These are people you feel you can relate with. They are relatable. Now, picture this. One day, Your neighbor. That neighbor, that is so broke, they can't even boil an egg. Start selling more on TikTok shop than you. Imagine them selling more than you, the entrepreneur, just because they understood this one simple thing that you did. That user-generated content is 2.4 times more authentic than your fake polished ad. My dear, that's how you lose in 2025, 2026, going forward. Not because you're lazy, but because you ignored the psychology of trust. And baby, your next millionaire competitor is probably right now recording shaky videos in their bedroom right now. Question is, why aren't you? What is it that you're waiting for? The trumpet, maybe. I don't mean to be rude. But what exactly are you waiting for? You need to start. Push yourself. Zaza, let me break your heart. Like your ex did. The marketing funnel is dead. And you want to know who killed it? TikTok. Murderer. Nowadays, it's see it, want it, buy it. All in 30 seconds. Impulse buying nowadays is the new religion. And TikTok shop is the church. Okay. So when your viewer watches your video, they don't want a 6-month nurture sequence. All they want is to click, buy, and brag. And if you don't give them that, they'll just scroll and someone else will. Okay? That's how bad it is for you as an entrepreneur if you're not on TikTok. And here's where my Building Wealth in 12 Months ebook sneaks in. You want to learn how to turn TikTok attention into money very fast? That ebook is your first pass before the doors close. So in simple terms, I'm just telling you the funnel is dead. Okay? Here's the cold truth. Most of you are out here thinking just because you're talented, you're safe, right? No. You see, TikTok, it doesn't reward talent. It just rewards strategy. 58 minutes a day. That's almost a Netflix episode, right? And you want to tell me that you can't grab 30 seconds of that attention to build generational wealth? Please. Here's the part where no one likes. If you don't adapt, you won't just lose views. You, my dear, you get to lose relevance. And once you're irrelevant on TikTok, you're irrelevant in business. And that's on period. That's why my life proof planner system exists. It's designed to outlast every trend. So, my dear, if you're not building with that kind of longevity, then you're not building. You're just playing. You see, TikTok, it's not dying. It's mutating. And the marketers who cling to the old ways, they will be left behind like MySpace influencers with ring lights. But what if I told you that TikTok is just the beginning? That the real platform shaping Africa's financial future hasn't even launched yet? Food for thought. You're already late. So subscribe now, grab the tools in the description, and prepare yourself. Because the next video is going to expose the platform nobody sees coming. And if you miss it, you'll regret it with your wallet. But as I always say, at the end of the day, the choice is yours to make. I'm Miss Muithathi, and I'll see you in my next video.